Are you thinking about James Hardie siding for your home, but curious about how much a project like that could cost you? Well, before you start searching for the answer online, you should be aware of the pricing you're going to find because it could often be misleading. Usually you're only going to find part of the story. Well, in this video, we're going to uncover the full picture and learn the real costs involved in a James Hardie siding project. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. James Hardie siding is renowned for its durability and aesthetic appeal, but there's more to the cost than just the siding itself. In today's video, we're going to break down the true cost of James Hardie siding, including all the factors that contribute to the final price. If you've Googled James Hardie siding costs, you might have seen estimates ranging from $5 to $15 per square foot. While this sounds enticing, it is a bit misleading. These numbers often only cover the siding and labor, not the full scope of the project. If you dig a little deeper into the websites or the articles, you might find the full pricing details, but really they just want to catch your attention with a lower price and encourage you to call for more information. Now here's the real picture. The real cost of James Hardie siding, once you factor in everything, can range from $18 to $40 per square foot. So let's find out how we get there by breaking down each component to understand where these costs come from. First, there's the tear off of your existing siding. This is often necessary and varies depending on your home's height. For a first story tear off, the cost is about $1.39 per square foot, including labor. For a second story, it involves more equipment and safety measures, increasing that cost. Next, we have the installation of OSB, or Oriented Strand Board, which provides structural stability. This is crucial for the long-term durability of your siding, especially with fiber cement products like James Hardie. The typical cost for OSB installation is $4.29 per square foot. A weather barrier is essential to prevent water penetration and protect the OSB. It allows your walls to breathe while keeping moisture out, which is crucial for avoiding mold and rot. This adds approximately 65 cents per square foot to the overall cost of your project. If you want more information on mildew and mold on your siding, check out the video linked above. Trim is both an aesthetic and functional part of your siding project, used around windows, doors, and corners. Expect about 8 feet of trim per 100 square feet of siding, costing around $6.24 per linear foot, including labor. Now let's talk about the siding itself. James Hardie siding requires precise installation to ensure a weather-tight finish. This typically costs $9.67 per square foot, including labor. Painting is often the final step to enhance the look and add an extra layer of protection. James Hardie offers pre-painted options, but if painting is needed, it costs around $5.83 per square foot, including labor. Finally, there's what we call the punch list, ensuring all tasks are completed correctly. This includes checking that all siding panels are securely fastened, ensuring trim pieces are properly aligned, inspecting for any gaps or spaces that need sealing, verifying that all nails and fasteners are painted to match the siding, and confirming that the site is cleaned up. And at Southwest Exteriors, we take it a step further. Our James Hardie siding installation includes an inspection by an independent certified siding inspector. This ensures that the installation is done to the highest standards. If the inspection reveals any issues, we will fix the installation for free. This meticulous process guarantees that your entire project is installed correctly and gives you peace of mind. And there you have it. Those are the factors that go into the cost for a James Hardie siding installation project. If you get all the way through a James Hardie siding consultation and they're still quoting you $5 to $15 per square foot, you really want to take a step back, look through the list of everything we said, and just double check and make sure that they're checking all of those boxes for you. A reputable, high quality installation is going to cost you more, around the $18 to $40 per square foot. And we want you to know that before we even enter your home, so you can properly budget your project. At Southwest Exteriors, we provide a detailed and transparent breakdown of all costs involving in your siding project. For an accurate estimate tailored to your home, use our simple online calculator. And if you're in the San Antonio area, make sure to click the link above to contact us so we can come out for a free consultation and we can walk you through the whole process and everything that gets broken down into that cost. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.